Escitalopram, Lexapro. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name drug forms. Generic name Escitalopram oxalate, drug class, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, SSRI antidepressant. Common brand names Lexapro, Cipralex in some countries, various generic brands. Drug forms, oral tablets, 5 milligrams, 10 milligrams, 20 milligrams, oral solution, 5 milligram, 5 milliliters, 1 milligram milliliter in some countries. Definition: Escitalopram is a prescription antidepressant belonging to the SSRI class. It works by increasing serotonin levels in the brain to improve mood, reduce anxiety, and restore emotional balance. It is commonly prescribed for depression and anxiety disorders. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Escitalopram works by selectively blocking serotonin 5-HT reuptake pumps, preventing serotonin from being reabsorbed into nerve cells, increasing serotonin concentration in the synaptic cleft, enhancing serotonin neurotransmission, improving mood, sleep, appetite, and emotional stability, producing minimal effects on dopamine and norepinephrine compared with other antidepressants. Result: reduced depression, reduced anxiety, improved emotional well-being. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, well absorbed orally, bioavailability approximately 80%. Food does not significantly affect absorption. Distribution, protein binding approximately 56%, widely distributed throughout body tissues. Metabolism, primarily metabolized in the liver. Enzymes, CYP-C19, CYP3A4, CYPD6. Half-life, approximately 27 to 32 hours. Elimination, excreted mainly in urine, small amount eliminated in feces. Time to peak level, approximately 5 hours. Number 5, uses escitalopram is used for major depressive disorder, MDD, generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, off-label, post-traumatic stress disorder, off-label, premenstrual dysphoric disorder, off-label. Number 6, indications. Approved for major depression, generalized anxiety disorder. May also be prescribed for panic attacks, social phobia, OCD, health anxiety, chronic anxiety, depression associated with chronic illness. Number 7, contraindications. Do not use in patients with allergy to escitalopram, allergy to citalopram, concurrent MAOI therapy, use within 14 days of MAOI, concurrent pimozide use, previous serotonin syndrome caused by SSRIs. Use cautiously in liver disease, kidney disease, bipolar disorder, epilepsy, glaucoma, bleeding disorders. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. Tell your healthcare provider if you have bipolar disorder, seizures, heart rhythm disorders, long QT syndrome, liver disease, kidney disease, diabetes, low sodium levels, bleeding disorders, pregnancy, breastfeeding. Special monitoring, elderly patients, adolescents, patients with suicidal thoughts. Avoid alcohol. Do not suddenly stop treatment. Number 9, how to use. Take once daily. May be taken with or without food. Take at the same time each day. Swallow tablets whole. Measure oral solution accurately. Continue treatment even if improvement takes several weeks. Follow the prescribed dose. Number 10, dosing information. Adults, depression, starting dose, 10 milligrams once daily. Maintenance, 10 to 20 milligrams daily. Maximum, 20 milligrams per day. Adults, generalized anxiety disorder, starting 10 milligrams once daily, maximum 20 milligrams. And elderly, usually 5 to 10 milligrams daily. Liver disease recommended, 10 milligrams per day maximum. Children, use only when specifically prescribed according to approved indications and specialist guidance. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to the next scheduled dose. Never double the dose. Overdose symptoms include dizziness, tremors, drowsiness, vomiting, agitation, seizures, rapid heartbeat, QT prolongation, serotonin syndrome, loss of consciousness. Seek emergency medical attention immediately. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Do not stop suddenly because withdrawal symptoms may occur. Withdrawal symptoms: dizziness, electric shock sensations, brain zaps, anxiety, irritability, insomnia, sweating, nausea. Avoid alcohol, recreational drugs, MAO inhibitors, St. John's wort, other serotonergic medications unless prescribed. Number 13, side effects. Common: nausea, dry mouth, headache, insomnia, sleepiness, fatigue, increased sweating, diarrhea, constipation, dizziness, sexual dysfunction, decreased libido, delayed ejaculation. Serious, suicidal thoughts, serotonin syndrome, seizures, hyponatremia, QT prolongation, heart rhythm abnormalities, severe allergic reactions, abnormal bleeding, mania, angle closure glaucoma. Number 14, vital information. Benefits may take 2 to 6 weeks to become fully apparent. Continue taking even if improvement is not immediate. Increased risk of suicidal thoughts in children, adolescents, and young adults during early treatment. Never stop abruptly. Monitor mood regularly. Inform surgeons before surgery. Report unusual bleeding. Regular follow-up appointments are important. Number 15. Other drugs will affect escitalopram major interactions, MAO inhibitors, increased risk of serotonin syndrome, linezolid, methylene blue, tramadol, fentanyl, lithium, buspirone, sumatriptan, and other triptans, St. John's wort, NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen, aspirin, anticoagulants, antiplatelet drugs, other antidepressants, antipsychotics, QT prolonging drugs, carbamazepine, phenytoin, rifampin, omeprazole may increase escitalopram levels. 16. Drug comparison. Escitalopram versus sertraline. Escitalopram, better tolerated by many patients, fewer gastrointestinal side effects, highly effective for anxiety. Sertraline, more gastrointestinal side effects, preferred in some cardiovascular patients, also approved for PTSD and OCD. Escitalopram versus fluoxetine. Escitalopram, faster onset for some patients, shorter half-life, easier dose adjustments. Fluoxetine, very long half-life, less withdrawal risk, more activating. Escitalopram versus citalopram. Escitalopram, active S isomer only, more potent, lower doses needed, lower risk of QT prolongation at equivalent therapeutic doses. Citalopram, racemic mixture, higher doses often required, greater concern for QT prolongation at higher doses. Number 17, patient teaching. Educate the patient to take the medication exactly as prescribed. Do not stop the medicine suddenly. Take it at the same time every day. It may take 2 to 6 weeks before full benefits are noticed. Avoid alcohol while taking the medication. Report worsening depression or suicidal thoughts immediately. Seek urgent medical care for signs of serotonin syndrome, fever, agitation, muscle rigidity, rapid heartbeat. Inform healthcare providers about all prescription, over-the-counter, and herbal medicines being used. Avoid driving or operating heavy machinery until the medication's effects are known. Rise slowly from sitting or lying positions if dizziness occurs. Maintain adequate hydration, especially in older adults. Attend regular follow-up appointments to monitor treatment response and side effects. Pregnant or breastfeeding patients should discuss the risks and benefits with their healthcare provider before starting or continuing therapy. Thank you. Have a nice day.